Good morning, everybody. If you're watching this in the morning, I hope you're well. It is. We're just going to check the sound first, make sure that you can hear me, because I've got a massive announcement for you today. If you are looking to grow your fitness business, and I'm going to talk about the different ways that you can grow your fitness business, because I've got a massive and how I can help you. So let's just do a little bit of sharing here. Let's find it in. And if you're coming in, come and say hello. Let me know what you're up to. Let's share it into supporters. Let's go into there. And let's do benefit as well. Okay. Now, for those of you who've been following me for maybe a long time, I have been doing business training for fitness professionals since, oh my gosh, many, many years, maybe 30 odd years. I've been running business workshops and training courses, and I've created so many training courses around business and helping you run your business more efficiently. So helping you with your website. This is fitness professionals, your mailing list, how to collect emails and build a mailing list, which becomes the backbone of your business, how to do social media effectively, how to branch off into other areas of business, whether you want to do community classes, whether you want to run online courses, whether you want to sell courses and fitness items, programs, masterclasses, memberships online, whether you want to do retreats. I mean, everything that a group fitness instructor could possibly do with their knowledge. I have created training programs on it, and I do it and I live it and I breathe it. And I've been creating programs to help teachers for such a long time. Now, I have a business group called the Fitness Business Academy. And with the Fitness Business Academy, this has evolved over time. Initially, all those years ago, probably 20 odd years ago, it was a 12-week program, and we used to meet once a week, and I would do education and training once a week, and it would build week on week, and it would go through all the main pillars of building a fitness business, a successful fitness business. Again, websites, mailing list, creating passive income, leveraging your knowledge, social media, digital marketing, sales, all of that stuff. And then I brought it down to 6 weeks, and it was a 6-week program, and that was really, really successful. But then as the fitness industry has evolved, as tech has evolved, there's so much more to building a business now. There really is. And I'm going to go on to where we are right now. So I created the fitness business as a membership, and it was a membership program. And over time, because I was doing 2 webinars every week, I built up this huge library of workshops, webinars. And since the pandemic, I've done 2 webinars every single week. So there are literally hundreds of training videos in the library. And what I've thought right now is I'm going to take a break on the live, because I've done everything. Everything is in there. Content creation, how to leverage AI. I mean, everything. It's all there. So how can this benefit you? Now, the issue is, for most people, we're time poor. Everybody's busy. Every single fitness professional that I work with is busy. Whether it's busy with their teaching, busy with their life, nobody has much time to spare in a week. So when I do the live training, not so many people can follow the live because they're so busy, or they can't do it at that particular time. So I have, just for a second, I've paused all of the live training, and what I've decided to do is open up the whole of the Fitness Business Academy library and just let you have access to all of it for as long as you need. Now, I did sell many of these workshops, and all of them were £20 and £25 each, and you may have purchased them over time. So what I am going to do is just allow you to join the library for only £25 for the month, and you can stay and watch as many of those videos as you possibly can manage. You can stay for a short time, you can cancel right away and just watch the videos you need. Or you can say, okay, I'm going to sign up for this membership for a couple of months, and I'm going to immerse myself into all of that content. Everything is there. And you can just cancel at any time. Now, I'm not doing any live weekly training. What I am doing is I've got a really great WhatsApp group, and I can do coaching via the WhatsApp group. So when you join the Fitness Business Academy, you'll get an email that says, oh, come and join the WhatsApp group. You'll come into the WhatsApp group, and then I'll give you tips and tricks via WhatsApp and voice note coaching. So if you think, well, Rachel, I really want to know about AI. I really want to know about social media. I want to get the best ways to build my community classes. I can say to you, oh, look, try these webinars. These are all in the library. Watch these 5 videos, immerse yourself in those, and then start taking action. And then you'll do all that. And you might say, right, now I want to focus on passive income. So I'll say, okay, these are the key passive income webinars that I've got. Go away and watch those. You'll get close proximity to me because I'm in the WhatsApp group. You'll get close proximity to other fitness professionals who are all ambitious and moving ahead and wanting more out of their business. Maybe they want to work less but earn more. And we'll be all together as long as you want. So this is the ultimate flexible business training library. Now I'm going to share my screen so you can see. When we compiled how many videos there were, I can't believe there was so much training in here. I mean, this is golden. If I was a new instructor, or I was a veteran instructor that thinks, right, this is my time, I've got to maximize my knowledge now. You know, I'm in my 50s, I really want to go for it. This would be what I would do. I would sign up for this, and I would immerse myself in as many of those trainings as I possibly can. So let me just show you what you have access to right away. Let me just share my screen, and then you can let me know if you've got any questions. This is the most cost-effective, simple way that you can upskill your knowledge, upgrade your knowledge than I think anything I've ever released before. Now, let me go over here. So this is it. So if you comment FBA, you'll go to this page. This is the new look FBA, Fitness Business Academy. There's me. That's what it all is. And then you'll add all your details there. But then look at what we've got here. I mean, these questions come up to me every single day. So these are some of the videos. They're the most popular workshops and trainings that I've got. So all things tech. So if you need help with live streaming, we've got a video for you. How you can increase your monthly income. How you can build confidence. That's a whole workshop on confidence. Marketing. How to get more people into your classes and into your programs. How to earn more passive income. I mean, there's a whole series on how to create passive income. There's a whole thing here, refreshing your brand and your business, ready for September. We've got the ultimate customer experience. So how can you improve your customer service? Tips to make your life easier. And there's whole sections around seasonal programming. So how you can make your summer business easier, how you can add more automation. We've got masterminds in there. There's a whole well-being, how to create well-being programs, how to write posts that sell, how to create niche content. I mean, how to market locally. I mean, look at all of these. There's so many. How to use YouTube coaching, how to use your mailing list, how to run a successful retreat locally or internationally. I mean, the list goes on. Back to basics marketing, how to create audios, how to create additional revenue, social media secrets, how to launch an event. I mean, just look at all of these. I mean, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Look at them. There's so many. So when you sign up, look at them, there's even more. I just can't believe how many there is. There's so much training. So when you sign up, let me show you what it looks like. You'll go through to our dashboard. So this is the members area. So anything that you purchase from Choreography to Go is here. Welcome to your members area. Let me just move it. So you've got 2 dashboards. So for those of you who are supporter membership, and then here's the FBA dashboard. You can have a look. And then look. So I've actually listed here all of the latest webinars. So if you want to start from the very latest, it's this one. And these all have notes and workbooks as well. So that's all about how to the content creation blueprint. We've got how to create passive income, how to plan a full year of online programs. They were my latest. How to create a 4-week abs and core. We've got how to make reels. We've got high-level marketing, with how to use Google and analytics, and it just goes on and on and on. Look, there they all are. There are 13 pages of training, which is, I mean, it's wild. It's absolutely wild. Now, I'm only putting this on offer, this library, for a short amount of time, because there's only I want to keep the FBA WhatsApp group small and interactive. So if this is something that you are thinking about, if you want to grow your business in any way, shape or form, this library is going to help you do it. So if you want the info and you are up for just investing £25, that's it, for all that, just comment. I know, just comment FBA. That's it. I decided, and Tina, you'll know because you've been an FBA member, that it's all there. You don't need right now any more from me. What you do need from me is probably a bit of accountability and a bit of guidance. You can find anything, any way that you want to grow your business, you'll find it in there. But then you can ask me questions directly in the Facebook group, in the WhatsApp group, and you haven't got to schedule an hour to sit down alive, because life just gets in the way. You can think you might want to look at those videos or workshops at 10 o'clock at night. You might want to watch something on the go. You might want to watch something in an afternoon. You've got complete flexibility of when you watch it and how you do it. And then that's going to be my offer for Fitness Business Academy. Things will change, and I will change the FBA at a later date. But at the moment, everything is there that you could possibly want. And if you want live coaching from me, then join the supporters group. In fact, your best way forward if you want to grow your business is join the supporters, because you get the live coaching every single day with me that's on Facebook Live, that you can multitask, you can pick it, you can drop in and out, you can get the interaction, you can get the brainstorming. But then for the deeper, step-by-step, higher level information, join the FBA and then get access to all of that. And then you've got access to me in that WhatsApp group as well. And that, my friends, is the flexible way of growing your business right now. Things are changing, AI is changing everything. And I know lots of fitness people are putting their hands in their ear and say, well, it's not going to change the fitness industry because everyone will always want to go to a class or a retreat, and they will. But AI is changing the way that you do admin. It's freeing up hours and hours of your time. But you've got to understand what you need AI to do. And there's loads of videos and workshops in there. And that's where I'll be going with the FBA going forward, is doing a lot more information around AI. Currently, everything is there that you could possibly need. So if you do want to take me up on that offer, just comment FBA. I'll send you the link. You can sign up. You can start watching everything, and you can be then ready and poised for a super successful September. All right, gang, let me know what you think of that idea. And I hope to be working with you. My goal ultimately is that your business is successful in whatever direction you see as successful, whether it's increasing your finances, whether it's giving you more time back, whether it's enabling you to do more traveling because you want to do events and retreats. Maybe it's that you want to fill up your community classes. Maybe you want to do passive. My goal is that you hit all those targets and you feel successful in your business. That's what I want for you. So if I can help you do that, and I've got all of the knowledge and experience and expertise, then I'd love to work with you. All right, gang, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next live.